Recently we purchased an Evakool 146 litre compressor fridge, separate fridge freezer. Freezer space is excellent, heaps of room, and great knowing that you can keep ice creams even when you're free camping. Fridge has heaps of space, easy to clean with smooth edges, crisper at the bottom for fruit and veggies, and an awesome door latch for when you're traveling, doors can't fling open. Fit into our existing space that held our 3-way fridge earlier. Now we never have to worry about running out of power to keep our fridge operating. The temperature stays the same no matter the ambient temperature outside. It's brilliant. Would definitely recommend this fridge to anyone looking for a compressor fridge.